Hey ghouls, who's ready for another stationery kind of video unboxing? Obviously I've unboxed it already, but the stuff is so good I had to share it with everybody. So if you want to see what I bought from Rock and Roadkill, stick around. Alright y'all, I know it's been a few days since I've posted any videos, and yes, I could be doing fashion ones, but I've been in a very creative mood lately, so I'm busy making journals right now, and doing planner stuff and all that. But this arrived today from Germany, and I'd been wanting to order for a while, but, you know, that waiting thing always makes me antsy. Oh my gosh, when's it gonna get here? But this arrived today, and I absolutely love everything. Let me start with the packaging. First, let me flip it over and open it. All right, when I opened it, this is what you see. Please recycle or reuse. It was also nicely taped here, which, yes, I've destroyed, but I tried to save that, so I did. It says Rock and Roadkill, and then it had all the little squirmy wormies in here, paper worms, but I like it. Everything is just so nice. So there's that, and I want to move it so I don't accidentally show you my address. That's right. I would never do that, would I? I think you'll know me better than that. So here it is. Rock and Roadkill. Love it. Here's the Etsy and the Instagram. Love it, love it, love it. And it really didn't take that long to get here. I can't tell you how long, because that would require me actually figuring things out in my head, and that's just not going to happen right this moment because my brain is kind of fried from cutting papers and stuff for this journal that I'm working on. But what I wanted to order from there was this stuff here of the Audrey 2. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Then we have a pitcher plant. Look at the little teeth. You gotta love it. Coffin shaped. A little skull. These are also stickers. A coffin. And this kind of matches with the, it's like in this container, but this, where'd it come from? Target. That line they have each year at Halloween. I have one of those in my bathroom. One of those with the 3 heads and the bones, but it's in something like this. So yeah, now they are glossy, so if you don't like glossy, well, I guess it wouldn't work for you. But here's the notepad. And let's pop this off. And look, oh my goodness, I love it so much. Got the RRK for Rock and Roadkill. Look at the little flies here and there. It's just too much. I love it. And I had this in my cart forever, and then I think I took it out, and then I put it back in, and then I was like, okay, that's it. We're doing it. We're jumping on the bandwagon, and we're doing it. Look at this packaging. Is that not awesome? Instead of having plastic, we have recyclable, yeah, packaging. Love it. Love the little cobwebs in the corners. Love everything about it. So that is super nice. And see, it's not it wasn't wrapped in plastic either. She's dead. Wrapped in plastic. If you know the movie, put it down there. And put who was wrapped in plastic. Yeah, there you go. And then if you want to be really silly, and you know from the Dual Spires episode of Psych, you got that too. Which I kind of gave a hint right there if you didn't know what it was, which I highly doubt anybody doesn't know what that's from, but if you like horror anyway. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This might get used up. This, I want to hoard it because I know I'm going to use it up. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to use it in my journal that I've been doing every day. I've been doing a little short, like highlight of the day kind of thing in a daily journal. We have, this here is the, yes, with a little note on it. Nice little print here with the thank you note on it. And then we have, I'm guessing this is sticker as well. I hope it is because I'm going to put it in my book. Yeah. So we have a little sticker here. Sorry, I keep going over here. I need to remember to be here. Sorry about that, y'all. Now we have two here. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, there you go. This one has hollow stars on it. Holographic. And this one is plain. And then I picked up these because, come on now. Come on now. Everybody needs a little bit of black metal. Look at the writing. I love it. This is just too cool. This one has 4, I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. 4 weeks worth. So, I mean, you hooked up there. Also, like says, this is also cut out already. So you can use it as a sticker. And then I have, there's 2 sets of the years. Months. Wow. How many years worth of months? There's 2 years worth. Or 2 different planners. Or I'm rambling. My bad. Oops. Yes, I got that. These were the packages that it all came in. So I've already opened them all up. Make sure there's nothing there. And then this sticker was in there, which is Christopher Reuter design and dark illustration and graphic design. Look at that. That is just badass. I love that. I have a feeling my husband's going to snag this one from me. Not if I stick it on my computer or something first. So yeah, I know this is a short video, but I really had to show you guys this. This is just, come on now. I highly recommend the shop. Like I said, I placed the order. It came from Germany to Texas in a fairly short amount of time. I cannot remember, honestly. And I do think I remember getting an email invoice because it said it was, you know, better for the environment and all, which is awesome. So if I remember correctly, I did receive that. And I'm making a mess over here. I'm trying to look on my box here, see when it shipped, because I cannot remember. This says date signed for the customs declaration says 3rd of June. And what's today, the 15th? 16th? Yeah, so it took less than 2 weeks to get here from Germany. So in the way my mail has been lately, it has been slow. I think just Texas in general has been slow. I've gotten some of the weirdest shipping times for things. So I think that was pretty good. So yeah, I love this. I'm going to have to buy more. And I wish I would have picked up about 100 more of these. I got one because, you know, I'm trying to be good and not spend all my money. But now, let's just throw it out there. Let's just throw it all out there. So yeah, I love these. Love it. Love everything about it. There's a lot on the notepad. I love it. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. So I highly recommend if you like, you know, they had, there's other things, I believe, art prints and things as well. I'm not positive. And like I said, I do not have my information in front of me because I was busy doing one thing and said I need to get this done. So I stopped to film this, and as usual, I'm not prepared. But anyway, yes, check them out. Rockin' Roadkill, Rockin' Art, and Death Cult. So, yeah, highly recommend. So, anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and thank you for watching through to this, and I look forward to seeing your answers to She's Wrapped in Plastic. And what else do I have to say? Do all the things, you know, the likes and the subscribing and all that good stuff. Comment, say hi. And just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye, ghouls.